how you can shut down your PC using only your keyboard. So it's really simple. You can you'll have to press on Windows and X. This will bring up this dialog box, and as you can see, different letters are underlined here. So in order to get to shutdown, you will have to press on U. So once again, if you press Windows and X together, the shutdown option is U. So once you press U, this will bring out another dialog box, and here are other letters that are underlined. So first one is I, so I will sign you out of your PC. S will put your PC to sleep. U will put you to you will shut down your computer, and to restart you'll have to press R. So according to your choice, you can either shut down, put it to sleep, sign out, or restart your PC. So in order to shut down, you just press U. So in order to quickly shut it down, you just press Windows X, U, and then U again. And that's how you can easily shut down your PC. Thank you for watching.